Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making one of Jamaica's favorite breakfast food, and that's banana fritters. So for this we're going to need 5 bananas, a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, 1 cup of white flour, or if you want to be healthy, you can do 1 cup of whole wheat flour. And we're just going to peel those 5 ripe bananas, and you want to get those bananas that are well ripe. Get those that are well ripe. Well, you need it ripe to an extent, but you just be careful not to get the ones that are getting rotten or anything like that. But you need your bananas to be ripe, because you want your fritters to be sweet and delicious. So that's why I got these. I had these ripe bananas at home and they were getting getting overripe. So I said to myself, why throw them away? I could just use them to make banana fritters, which is a very delicious food to eat. Banana fritters, very delicious. So I'm just right here, I'm just peeling them. I'm gonna get rid of the parts that I don't want. I'm gonna peel them, I'm gonna mash them, and then I will add my flour, which you don't have to use white flour if you're on a healthy healthy weight loss journey, or just a healthy journey in overall, just wanting to be healthy and just trying to eat healthy foods. So you can replace the white flour with whole wheat flour. But I will be doing these fritters for my sons, so I will just go ahead and use this white flour, and that's 1 cup. And also I'll be using 1 teaspoon of salt in this recipe, and I'm only using 3 ingredients to make this fritters. Banana, which is 5 bananas, 1 cup of flour, and 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink sea salt. So guys, if you have bananas at home that are getting overripe, you could use them up to make this very delicious breakfast food that we in Jamaica make and eat. Other people might add different ingredients, but I am only using these three basic ingredients because I've used them before and my fritters turn out to be very delicious. So if you only have these 3 ingredients, don't worry, your fritters won't taste bad. They will be absolutely delicious. Just make sure you just put 1 cup of flour in your bananas. Don't put too much flour, else you're gonna lose that delicious banana sweet delicious taste that you would normally get from banana fritters. So just go ahead and just incorporate that 1 cup of flour. After finishing doing this, I'm gonna mix it really well. Make sure I combine every ingredient. So I mustn't see any flour. I must just see a mixture of banana flour and salt. So I must just see a mixture. I mustn't see any white powdery substance when I'm done mixing. So you want to mix this really good so that you can get your fritters to be tasting absolutely delicious. And this is how your mixture should look at the end when you're finished mixing it. Just that mixture right there. And then on the fire, I'm going to put some oil in my pot. That there, you see me there holding is a tablespoon. So I'm going to put that's 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons. So that's the amount of oil that I be putting in my pot. Some people deep fry theirs. That means they throw a lot of oil in the pot so they can cover up the fritters. But I don't like to use that method because I think I'll waste a lot of oil, and I will also incorporate more oil in my fritters than what I want, because at the end of the day we all want to be healthy, so we don't want to use excess amount of oil. So right here you can see I'm using like an ice cream scoop. So every time I'll take out a scoop of mixture, and I will just put that in the pot. And how do you know when it is your to turn them? So that the side that is in the oil is gonna change color, and you will see it getting brown. So when it start getting brown, you want to turn over your fritters, turn them over, and let the other side get to fry. I press down mine a little in the oil. You can do that, or you don't have to really do that. What I do, but I just do it like that. So that's how I do my fry my fritters. I like mine a little bit dark in color. So if you don't like yours this dark, don't let it stay so long. And turn down your stove. Don't turn it up too high, so that it can get to fry and it won't have that dark color if you don't like it that way. But if you like it that way, like what I'm doing for myself, you can do it this way, no problem. But as I said, guys, this is a very delicious recipe, and the oil that I use in this one is vegetable oil, but you don't have to use vegetable oil. You can use avocado oil, which is a better oil, more healthy. You can use olive oil, or you can use coconut oil. Any oil that you want to use, you can use it. It all depends on what oil you like to taste. So use it that way. So as you can see, my fritters are soon done, because the both sides are brown, as how I told you that I like them. I'm just gonna give it a little bit more frying to make it a little bit crispy and delicious to eat. So sometimes you really want your food to be a little bit of that little crispy taste when you're eating it. That's what I'm doing. But if you don't like it that way, you don't have to let yours stay in that long if you don't like it to be crispy. So that's how I am doing my fritters. Then I'm going to have a container with paper towels to absorb any excess oil that will be on the fritters. So I will have that container to hold it in with the paper towel which absorbs all that excess oil, because you don't want that excess oil in your body. In everything you do, you want to be healthy. And the mixture that I made, it fried about 5 to 6 more fritters, but I'm not going to show you that section. I'm only going to show you this that I've fried. But just remember that you will get around 10 fritters to 12 fritters out of that mixture that you made. So please enjoy these fritters, guys. And please remember, if you watch this video and you really like it, guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Please turn on your notification so that you're notified when I upload a video.